Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, as you guys already know, today I am going to try this Plume brush set. Now they have launched this in February and I got it around last week of February, and then I went to Bangladesh and then I came back. So lockdown happened, I couldn't film because if I do the video you guys won't be able to buy it because the manufacturing was stopped. Quick update on my fungal acne. So here you can see my fungal acne and it's leaving a lot of scars, but still I am trying few products which are great for fungal acne, like products which don't have glycerin or just a gel based product. So guys, don't worry, I will definitely do a video on fungal acne, but it has been only 6 days that I'm using the products. I am going to use it for around like 2 weeks, and then I will do a video for you guys with full update. So guys, this is the makeup brush set. It contains a lot of face brushes as well as eye makeup brushes. Now they have included 2 more brushes in this, so the products will be mentioned down below. Don't forget to check that one out, and let's get started with today's video. So let's start with the primer because my skin is feeling very drying. Now I am using the Sugar moisturizing primer. So for foundation I have 2 type of brush. This is the flat brush as you can see, and this is more of a flat top kabuki brush, so I'm definitely going to use this one. Now I definitely prefer using a sponge to blend my foundation, but the brush is really good. It is definitely giving me a lot of coverage. For concealer, let me just try this brush. It definitely did blend it really nicely. Now in this side, I am using the same brush which I used for my foundation. Now I can definitely see the coverage here is a lot more than this side. So yeah, I really like this brush, you guys. This is amazing. Now for powder, I will be using this brush. This is a tapered fluffy brush. I really like brushes like this to apply powder underneath my eyes. So let's try this. Yeah, definitely it fits under your eyes and it's very soft. Now to set my full face, I will be using this big fluffy brush. This brush is very good. It's fluffy, it's very soft, and it definitely blends out the powder really nicely. Now for contouring, I will like to use powder contour today, not cream contour, because a lot of cream products is not good for me. So but if you want, you can definitely blend your cream contour with this brush. So for my powder contour, I will be using this brush. You can see it is flat, but this side is fluffy. So this is a very beautiful brush. The brushes I have for contouring is very stiff and very straight. Now this is stiff, but this side is very fluffy. So let's try this. Now as this has a fluffy end, now this will definitely blend it very nicely. You can definitely blend your contour like this or this, both works, and see the difference. For applying my blush, I am using this angular fluffy brush, and just smile and blend it. So now it's time for highlighter, and I will be using the Plume 06 brush. Now this is a fan brush. For my nose highlighter, I will be using this P12 brush. It's a beautiful pencil brush, but I can totally use this for my nose highlighter. I think my base looks really nice. Let's move on to my eye makeup and my brows. One thing I want to mention that they have a separate spoolie brush and a separate angular brow brush. Now they don't have a dual ended brush which is a down point for me, I think, because I would like to have a brush with a spoolie at the end. But if you totally need a separate spoolie, you can try this one out. Brush is very, very thin, you guys. Oh my god, let me just quickly show you. Look at that brush, it's so thin and so precise. So guys, my brows are done. This brush is very, very precise but not stiff at all. So if you like precise brush but not that stiff, you can try this one out. Otherwise, the preciseness is so good. I really, really like this. Now I'm going to just clean up my brows, and for that I will be using this P11 brush. Now this is a flat, very precise shader brush. So I am going to use this for cleaning up my brows and also applying a little bit of concealer for the eye makeup. So for my eye makeup today, I am going to try this. This is the TAKECARE Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. So first I'm going to take this shade, and the brush I am using is P08, and I'm just going to apply this on the crease. Next I am going to take this P24. It's a smallest blending brush, and I am going to take this beautiful yellow shade and blend out my crease. Now I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush. This is P07, and I'm going to blend it further on my crease. For my eyelid, I am using this flat brush, and this is P18. I'm going to take this shade and mix it with this one. For my inner corner, I'm using the same P12 brush, and I am going to take this shade. Using the same brush P08 for my lower lash line. So eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to apply some mascara, falsies, complete this eye look, and then I will be back. Eye makeup is complete. Now to complete this whole look, I need a lipstick, and I am using this Faces Canada lipstick in the shade Blood Moon. This is my complete look. What do you guys think about this look? I really like this, and it is definitely looking beautiful with the outfit and the background. So let me know if you like this look or not. Now coming to the brushes breakdown. So coming to the face brushes, foundation brush was really nice. I'm definitely going to recommend this to you. Now you can definitely buy them individually. If you don't want to buy the whole set, you can buy them individually. So you can definitely try their foundation brush. I love their contouring brush, and this is a beautiful brush, and you can definitely try this one out as well. Now these two brushes are really nice if you want a perfect, a powder brush which is perfectly going to set your under eyes, around your nose, mouth, forehead. Try this one out. I really like this. This is extremely soft, and I will definitely recommend this. Now coming to the big fluffy brush, if you don't have a big fluffy brush, you can definitely go for this, but if you have a big fluffy brush, you can skip this. Now coming to this flat foundation brush, I am not a big fan of foundation brushes like this. Now I like to use this to apply my mask, and I think I'm definitely going to do that. This blush brush or the angular brush is again multi-purpose. You can use your bronzer or your blush to just apply it, or also you can contour it with it. So if you don't have any blush, contour or bronzer brush, you can definitely try this one out as well. Now coming to the brow brush, I really like the preciseness of this brush, and the spoolie, I don't like the fact that both are in different sets. Next up, coming to the few eye makeup brushes. Now this bigger blending brush is really nice. It is more of a dome shaped blending brush. Definitely you can blend your crease. You can definitely contour your nose with this as well. So I really like this. Now this 08 brush is a very different brush. Now this is a smudger brush but with a long, long bristle. so you can definitely pack darker shades on your crease. You can highlight your inner corners with this or smoke your lower lash line. The P11 brush is my favorite, obviously, because I love how it cleaned up my brows. Now if you have small spots, you can definitely use this for your spot corrector. I'm definitely going to recommend this brush. This has a very long bristle. Let me just quickly show you. This has a very long bristle and this one is very good. I would say it's a very unique brush. Now you don't have to buy this, but still, if you want brush which you can apply your inner corner highlight, your brow bone highlight with this, you can definitely go for this. You don't need a lot of brushes, you guys. If you are a makeup artist, then you can definitely buy a lot of makeup brushes, but if you are someone who just does makeup few times a month, then I will never recommend these much brushes to you. So that is why Plume did a very good job. They have included them as a individual brushes as well, so you don't have to buy the full set, you can buy them separately as well. Now coming to the last two brushes, this is the P24. Now this is a beautiful brush, and if you are searching for a small blending brush, go for this. It is small, fluffy, and it blended out my, I was going to say foundation. It blended out my, shadow really nicely. You can definitely try this P24. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know which brush you are looking forward to buy. I am going to mention all the product details down in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. You can buy them separately, or if you want, you can buy the eye makeup brush set separately or the face one, or both together. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.